Food production is evolving faster than ever. Are you ready to keep up? Hi, I'm John Stead, Manager for the Indirect Channel in Europe for FlexLink. I've been in the company for 9 years, ever since I started as an application engineer for the FMCG and food industry.
And I am Gerard Puig-Juriol, Application Engineering Supervisor for West and South Europe Hub. I've been working in FlexLink last 12 years, developing complete solutions for our customers. Today, manufacturers face many challenges like improving traceability, hygienic design, and sustainability credentials. They need to know every product journey through the line, maintain the highest hygiene standards, and reduce waste and packaging materials, all while increasing efficiency. Our modular, scalable, and standardized flow conveying solutions make it easy to adapt production lines for the future upgrades or quality checks. We offer FIFO buffering systems for traceability and conveyors designed for hygienic waste time.
And because our solutions are built from tested and qualified components, our customers get reliability and scalability without reinventing the wheel. That's why FlexLink is a trusted partner in this industry.
Ready to improve your food and FMCG line? Explore the FlexLink online store and see how easy it is to get started.